Darren Espanto ipinagtanggol si AC Bonifacio. Give her a chance. Alright! Dinipensahan ng senior actor na si Darren Espanto ang best friend at ngayon controversial na star magic artist na si AC Bonifacio. Si AC ay kasalukuyang housemate sa Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab at isa rin sa mga pinag-uusapang housemate ng madlang netizen sa outside world. Sa ginanap na launching ng City Cafe kamakailan ay nausisa si Darren patungkol sa kanyang longtime best friend. Agad namang ipinagtanggol na aktor si AC at sinabing hindi naman lingid sa kanyang kaalaman na maraming bumabatikos ngayon sa kanyang kaibigan. Feeling ko hindi ganun kadami yung issue niya. Ngayon, kung nasa loob ako ng bahay kasama niya, of course, we're all rooting for her. I feel like a lot of people just misinterpret a lot of the things that not just AC, huh? But a lot of the things that the housemates say within the house and their actions. Saad ni Darren. Anya, marami ang nagtatag sa kanila ni Niana Guerrero kung saan tinatanong patungkol sa kaibigan sabay banat raw ng hindi nyo ba kilala yung best friend nyo. Lahat ni Darren, siyempre ako 8 ko na best friend si AC. So I know her inside and out. I know what the backstory is to what she's doing inside the house. And I'm not saying like we all tolerate everything that we do even through word best friend. Siyempre may mga limitasyon din. And at the end of the day, we're just there to support her. Ngayon kasama siya sa mga nominees for eviction, so we'll see what happen. Amin pa ni Darren, apektado silang mga kaibigan ni AC sa natatanggap na batikos ng dalaga. I feel like all of us get affected even when it's not just our family members being bashed. Even if it's our friend naman, kami nila Niana nagte-text. Also, we're checking up on AC's mom, si Tita Cherry. May mga group calls kaming ginagawa just to talk about everything that happening inside the house. Say pa ni Darren. Chika pa ng aktor, sana ay huwag agad-agad i-judge ang kaibigan at bigyan pa ng chance ang kaibigan. Pakiusip ni Darren, I hope people get to understand AC more at saka they give her a chance. Kasi feeling ko malakas din ang laban ng best friend ko before going in talaga. All of us knew what she was going to be going into. All of us are rooting for her. Sana mabigyan rin siya ng chance to able to showcase her talents inside the house, her personality, and how good of a person she is. Yan ang totoo. Alright. Thank you for watching po. Follow for more videos. Salamat.